So a question that I get a lot is, how do I draw more proportionally accurate faces? And I'm going to show you what I do, I'm going to show you what I do in my brain, although I don't actually physically do this. So in my brain, when I'm looking at a face, I'm trying to look at what planes or what shapes make up the face, and I kind of outline it in my head. But here in this video, I'm going to actually physically outline it in a different color for you to see. And once I break down that basic shape, I try to capture it in as few lines as I can in my sketch. And I'm frequently going back from my sketch to the reference photo and from my reference photo back to my sketch to make sure that the shapes that I'm drawing seem to roughly match up. And you'll see that sometimes the sketch is not totally right. And so, for example, like the nose and the mouth here, I accidentally sketched a little bit too large, and so I am going to make that part smaller by just using the select tool and resizing it. And so here I have a pretty good base that I can now sketch on top of to refine it a little bit more. So I hope that tip was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider checking out my first Skillshare class that I just launched. Rather than me explaining it, let me just show you the trailer. Hey there, my name is Yanan and I'm a digital illustrator. I've been drawing digitally for about 10 years now, and I'm so excited to share with you my very first class on digital portrait painting for beginners. I will walk you through step by step to create your very own digital portrait painting. While this class is designed for beginners, it helps if you have at least some prior experience with drawing. Maybe you just doodle a lot. Maybe you're a charcoal artist. Or maybe you have dabbled in digital art, but you just can't figure out how to achieve that painterly look. Well, this class is for you. In this class, we will work together to get you comfortable with digital painting while simultaneously producing a piece of art that you can be proud of. We will start from a reference photo, like this, to produce an original piece of portrait art, like this. Not only will I go over the practical step-by-steps, I will also guide you in personalizing your art to make it your own. I can't wait to see what you make. So, if you're interested in taking this class, I have a link in the description box below that will get you 2 free months of Skillshare Premium, which gives you access to all of the Skillshare classes, including my own. I think of my Skillshare class as a little bit different than my YouTube videos, because in my YouTube videos I give kind of like bite-sized appetizer pieces of advice, and my Skillshare class is more really like a full multi-course meal. So yeah, if you do take the class, please let me know what you think, and if you don't, that's okay. I will still like you, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.